How to turn off Facebook email notifications. So in order to turn off your Facebook email notifications, what you can do is you can head over right here to your three lines that will show you to your menu. Once you're on your menu, just head over and click on this gear icon right here because that will direct you to your settings. From your settings, just scroll down until you can see this option called notification. It's under the preferences option. Then from in there, you can see all of these notifications that you can receive. So if you want to turn off email notifications, what you can do is you can just look in here. Now, as you can see, all of these notifications right here are actually for email. It's all turned on. So you can scroll onto the bottom until you can see this where you receive notifications. Click on this email right here. And then from in there, make sure to turn off everything right here on this list. So once you have turned off everything right here, you should be able to not receive any email anymore depending or regarding this particular notifications. So that's how you turn off Facebook email notifications. Hope we helped.